Tired of missing out on that amazing deal because you don't have enough cash on hand? Wish you could grab that must-have item now and pay for it later? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving deep into how to activate GrabPay Later and unlock a world of flexible spending. GrabPay Later is a fantastic feature offered by Grab that allows you to make purchases now and pay for them later in easy installments. It's like having a flexible credit line right at your fingertips, perfect for those unexpected expenses or when you want to treat yourself without breaking the bank. But how exactly do you get started with this awesome feature? Step-by-step guide. Download or update the Grab app. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Grab app installed on your smartphone. If you haven't already, download it from your device's app store. Once installed, log into your existing Grab account or create a new one if you're a first-time user. Check your eligibility. Not everyone is eligible for GrabPay Later. The eligibility criteria vary depending on your location and Grab's assessment of your financial history. Don't worry, it's usually a quick and easy process. Simply open the Grab app and look for the GrabPay Later section. The app will usually display a banner or a prominent section if you're eligible. If you're not eligible yet, don't fret. Grab may reassess your eligibility periodically based on your usage patterns. Activate GrabPay Later. If you're eligible, you will usually be prompted to activate GrabPay Later. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. You may be required to provide some basic information, such as your date of birth and contact details. The activation process is usually quick and straightforward. Set your credit limit. Once activated, you'll be assigned a credit limit. This is the maximum amount you can spend using GrabPay Later. Your initial credit limit may be lower, but it can increase over time as you use GrabPay Later responsibly and make timely repayments. Start using GrabPay Later. Now comes the fun part. You can start using GrabPay Later for a wide range of purchases within the Grab ecosystem. This includes Grab Food, order your favorite meals and pay later. GrabMart, stock up on groceries and essentials without worrying about immediate payment. GrabRide, enjoy convenient rides and pay for them later. GrabPay, use GrabPay Later to make payments at participating merchants. Simply select GrabPay Later as your payment method at checkout. Repayment options. Understanding how to repay your GrabPay Later balance is crucial. Typically, you'll have a few options. AutoPay, set up automatic payments from your linked bank account or debit card. This ensures timely repayments and avoids any late fees. Manual repayment, make manual repayments through the Grab app or at designated payment centers. Always refer to the GrabPay Later terms and conditions for the latest repayment options and due dates. Tips for responsible use. Using GrabPay Later responsibly is key to maintaining a healthy financial relationship with Grab. Here are a few tips. Spend within your means, only borrow what you can afford to repay on time. Track your spending, keep an eye on your GrabPay Later balance and repayment schedule. Make timely payments, avoid late fees and potential damage to your credit score by making on-time repayments. Read the terms and conditions. Familiarize yourself with the terms and conditions of GrabPay Later to understand the fees, charges, and other important details. With GrabPay Later, you can enjoy greater flexibility and convenience in your daily spending. Remember to use it responsibly and always prioritize timely repayments. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.